What if you could know a secret? A secret that could save you thousands of dollars, years of headaches, and put you in the most reliable SUV on the road today. This isn't a guess or a hype-filled commercial. This is the truth straight from the people who see these vehicles at their absolute worst, the mechanics. While dealership lots are filled with flashy new models boasting about horsepower and infotainment screens, there's one SUV that mechanics themselves are quietly buying for their own families in 2025. And the reason dealers aren't talking about it will change the way you shop for a car forever. Think about it. Mechanics aren't impressed by glossy paint or panoramic sunroofs. They see which cars come back with chronic problems and which ones just need routine oil changes for 200,000 miles. Their choice is based on cold, hard facts from the repair bay. And today, we're revealing what they know. So why is this rock-solid SUV a secret in the first place? The answer lies in the fundamental difference between what's best for you and what's best for a dealership's bottom line. You see, dealerships make money in two key ways: the initial sale and the ongoing service revenue. A perfect SUV for a mechanic, one that is incredibly reliable and cheap to maintain, is actually a terrible long-term investment for a dealer. They'd rather sell you a vehicle with a more complex engine, air suspension, and fancy electronic features. Why? Because those complex components are far more likely to fail after the warranty expires, driving you back into their service department and generating thousands in repair bills. It's a cycle of dependency they count on. Meanwhile, the mechanic's choice is a profit killer. It's a vehicle designed for simplicity and longevity, not for generating repeat service business. It's the truth the automotive industry doesn't want you to understand. Sometimes less technology actually means more value for you. Criterion 1, the unbreakable engine. When a mechanic chooses a vehicle for their family, it all starts with the heart, the engine. They aren't looking for the most horsepower or the fastest 0 to 60 time. They are looking for a power plant with a proven track record of reliability, one that's been on the market for years and has had all its kinks worked out. The secret SUV we're talking about doesn't have a brand new, unproven engine with turbochargers stacked on turbochargers. Instead, it uses a naturally aspirated engine or a simple, robust turbo design that has been perfected over a decade. Mechanics see these engines routinely cross the 200,000-mile mark with little more than standard maintenance. They use timing chains instead of belts that need replacement, and have simple, easy-to-access components that make any rare repair affordable. This proven reliability is worth more than any amount of horsepower when your goal is to get to work, pick up the kids, and take road trips for years without a single worry. Criterion 2, simplicity surrenders savings. Beyond the engine, the second thing mechanics prioritize is simplicity in the entire vehicle's design. In the modern era, complexity is the enemy of reliability. The secret SUV they're buying avoids overly complicated systems that are prone to expensive failures. Think about it. Do you really need massaging seats, complex air ride suspension, or a dozen electric motors controlling the climate vents? To a mechanic, each of these is a future repair bill waiting to happen. This SUV sticks with traditional coil spring suspension, simple hydraulic power steering, and a straightforward interior with physical, tactile buttons for critical functions. This isn't about being cheap, it's about being smart. Physical buttons are faster and safer to use while driving than a laggy touchscreen. A conventional transmission is proven and far less costly to repair than a newest generation CVT. By choosing a vehicle that values robust, simple engineering over flashy, complex gadgets, mechanics are ensuring their long-term savings far outweigh the initial allure of high-tech features that often become obsolete or problematic. Oh, what is this legendary SUV? After surveying mechanics and analyzing reliability data, the clear winner is the Toyota 4Runner. It's not a secret because it's unknown, but because dealers will steer you toward more profitable car-like crossovers. The 4Runner's body-on-frame construction, its proven V6 engine, and its famously simple, rugged design make it a nightmare for service departments but a dream for owners. It's a vehicle from a different era, and that's exactly its strength. Now, how do you buy one smartly? Avoid brand new models that carry a huge premium. Instead, look for a well-maintained, low-mileage example that's 3 to 5 years old. You'll avoid the steepest depreciation and still get a vehicle that will last for another decade. But this is just one secret. The real key is thinking like a mechanic. Prioritize proven reliability over fleeting trends. If this insider advice saved you from a bad purchase, then do this right now. Hit the like button because it tells YouTube you found this valuable. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications because we uncover secrets like this every week. And most importantly, comment below and tell us, Toyota 4Runner, or if you think there's another SUV that deserves the title. Your engagement pushes this video to more people, helping everyone make a smarter choice.